Hey guys, we're on the welcome to another episode of Purple Cat Outdoors. As you can see, it's raining a lot. But we got out here on the lake, new lake today, not one y'all have ever seen before, or that I've taken you on, I should say. It's great. I mean, I think it's great weather myself. It's raining. It's not well in this area. It's not a lot of wind. If you go out that way, there's a lot of wind. But yeah, I didn't bring my big camera. I brought the GoPro session thing here. This should do just fine, I hope. But yeah, we're gonna fish this bank right here, and of course, I'll have good old trusty Chesty on, and yeah, hopefully we'll catch something. I mean, these are perfect for topwater, so of course that's what I'm gonna throw. We're switching to the we're gonna go switch to the Chesty thing here, and I'll see you in a little bit. Alright guys, to the chest can. I'm going to start today off with a popper. I've got a bit of another topwater bait in my pocket. Oh buddy, that wind's coming to say hello. Well, the wind's not really, it's just the daggum rain. But then again, I already got stuck in the water trying to put the boat in because did another nupty move. We're going to be fishing kind of into the wind. But as you can see, this right here, out in front of here, is supposed to be the creek channel. And yeah, I'm hoping that on the sides of this creek channel over here, let's turn it on. Gotta get a new one of those. Hopefully I can, oops. Oh buddy, this is gonna be fun. I might need to pull up my other topwater for the day. Oh, I should have wore boots. Yes, I wore tennis shoes. Yep. Alright, I'll keep this up here just in case. There it was. And there it went again. Alright folks, pulling out the whopper. The little whopper. You suckers. If I catch fish, it'd be all worth it. Now I feel like I'm just gonna have to sit on the trolling motor the whole time. Come on, Mr. Whopper. Come to me. Alright, back online. Okay. Had to change out what you call this. Alright folks, we're switching to a little finesse shaky head here. We're going to try something that the Mystery Tackle Box gave us a couple months back. It's called the Bass Dynasty scent stuff. Yeah, I'm going to give it a try. Whoop. Let's go back to where I was fishing. Alright. Alright guys, new spot. Oh, I gotta let these go. Went down river a ways. And we're trying deep water. Ooh, I just zipped my beard into my coat here. It was raining a little bit just a second ago. I don't know if it is now. I don't think it is. But right where we're sitting is like 15 feet. But back behind us is like 30. But it goes into some shallow water. Just giving it a try, just trying some deeper water. Oh boy, this is getting rough-ish. Well, I mean, it's not rough for me, but it's rough out there. I'm hoping this, because it's been scattered showers all day, I'm hoping it'll... I just want to fish this dock. Let me fish this dock, wind. Let me fish. Let me fish my dock. Oh, that's it. There was a bite, but I didn't get him. Oh, it's not a fish, it's a freaking rock. I think I got a stick or a rock or something. I got a damn clam. What the hell? That's a hefty clam too. Damn clam. Zebra mussel thing. I better check my line. Seems alright. That was interesting, to say the least. And they're worrying about the boat. Oh my god. What the heck happened here? I might have to put you down and figure out what's wrong with you. It wasn't even that bad. I didn't even have a loop. Oh, I got him. Yeah, there we go. What do we got? Do we got a drum? Nope, I think I got, oh, I think I got a catfish. No, what do I got? I don't know what I got. Oh, I got a largie. I did it. I got one. Yay! Poor guy. Got all kinds of whacked. Well, that's mean. That's rude. Trying to help you. No. Oh. Okay, dude. What you doing under there? Come on. Out you come. There we go. I got one. There you go, guys. I got one. Thought this day would be a bust, but a little crankbait come in handy that time. That's number one. Say skadoosh. Bye, guys. Alright. That's one. No skunk for me today. Yeah. I hit it kind of like a... I thought I hit a log. I was like, oh, crap. Log. I got another one, guys. A little bitty one, but I got him. Same little crankbait. Oh. Where's my pliers? There we are. Good boy. Good boy. Got him right in the corner. See, guys, right there. There we go. About 14 inches. He ain't quite 15, but lots of giving me a good idea where they're at, though.